Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by signing into the Google account you use for Gmail and Google Photos so everything links. Once signed in, open Google Photos and enable backup and sync in settings. This uploads pictures automatically. Make sure to check your storage quota in Google One. If near full, you'll want to freeze space or upgrade. These actions ensure your photos appear under the same account and are ready to add or share through Gmail immediately. You compose a new message or reply in Gmail, then use Insert Photo to pull directly from Google Photos. This keeps full resolution options available. Once you click the Photos tab, search by album, date, or face grouping to find what you need quickly. Select multiple items or choose Attach as a link if you want smaller email size. Make sure recipients have permission if using shared links. This method embeds images cleanly, without downloading or re-uploading files. Before sending, decide inline images versus drive links. Inline displays in the message body. Drive links save attachment size. Once done, verify sharing settings in Google Photos so anyone with the link can view if needed. If photos don't appear, make sure you're in the same Google account and backup and sync completed. Check Photos app upload queue and Gmail account permissions. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.